Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to WordPress theme install or how to add themes on your WordPress or how to install themes in your WordPress. So all you have to do is just simply go to your WordPress account and then look for the option that says appearance. Once you click appearance, you can see there another option that says theme. So when you click that, you can see or you can select different themes, and all you have to do is to pick the one that is suitable to your site or to your page. Now, there are themes that are for free and there are themes that are not for free. So I had to choose the one that is free. And all you have to do is just simply click this red button here that says activate, check the box, and then click activate. And when you go to your site, you can see there that your theme has changed. Okay, so that's the first step or first method. The other method is this. You can go to this site and download a theme for your WordPress. So all you have to do is simply select a theme and then download. But of course, it's not for free. So you have to pay again in order to get access to this. And then once done, go back to your WordPress, go to appearance, go to themes, and you can see there that you can add themes from your computer or from your file. You can import that. Then after you add that theme or downloaded theme to your WordPress, then all you have to do is to click activate and it will change your theme in your WordPress. Also, you can go to plugins, okay, and search for themes that can be found in your plugins. Go to plugins, type themes, and you can see there plugins that you can use for your WordPress. As easy as that. So that's how you install theme in your WordPress. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.